I once had trouble sleeping for many years. The nights felt very long. My mind would simply not quiet down. My body often felt tense, unable to fully relax into the comfort of my bed. I tried many different things to find rest. Some of these methods helped a little, for a short while, but many of them did not provide a lasting sense of peace. The struggle felt endless, a cycle of exhaustion-frustration that colored my days. I longed for the simple, restorative sleep that seemed to come so easily to others. One quiet evening, a dear friend shared a simple practice from traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM. She spoke of it with such warmth and gentleness. TCM is an ancient system of wellness that uses many small, kind practices to bring the body back into balance. I was drawn to this idea immediately. I wanted something that felt soothing and natural. I especially wanted something I could do for myself, a personal ritual to reclaim my nights from worry and restlessness. It felt like a kinder approach than the jarring solutions I had tried before. In the world of TCM, the quality of our sleep is deeply connected to the heart, the kidneys. My friend explained it with a lovely image. She said to think of the heart, the kidneys, as two best friends. When these two friends are in harmony and communicating well, our spirit feels settled and sleep comes easily. But when they are out of balance, when they stop talking to each other, our sleep can become disturbed and restless. This simple metaphor helped me understand. It made the practice feel human and kind, not clinical. This beautiful and simple image stayed with me. It helped me to relax and approach my sleep with a new perspective. Instead of seeing my sleeplessness as a problem to be fought, I began to see it as a gentle request from my body for more harmony. I learned 2 acupressure points that helped me the most on this journey. The first one is a beautiful point called Shenmen, which translates to Spirit Gate. It is also known as Heart 7, or HT7, because it lies along the heart meridian. This point is a direct gateway to calming the spirit and soothing the heart. Finding it is quite simple. Look at the palm side of your wrist. You will see a prominent crease where your hand meets your arm. This point is located on that crease, on the side closest to your little finger. To locate Shenmen precisely, place the tip of your index finger on the very end of your wrist crease, just below your pinky finger. You should feel a small, tender depression just to the inside of the tendon that runs along that edge of your wrist. The point sits in this soft spot, nestled between the bone and the tendon. When you find it, you will know. It often feels slightly more sensitive or alive than the area around it. This is the Spirit Gate, a place where you can gently ask your mind to quiet down for the night. When I began my ritual, I would sit quietly on the edge of my bed. I would take my thumb and apply gentle, steady pressure to the Shenmen point on my opposite wrist. The pressure should be firm but not painful. It should feel good, like a caring touch. I hold this pressure for 1 to 2 minutes. As I press, I focus on my breathing, making it slow and even. I breathe in for a count of 6, and I breathe out for a count of 6. This combination of pressure and breath is deeply soothing. As I press this point, I like to visualize the metaphor of the 2 friends. I imagine the fiery energy of my heart gently simmering down. I picture a sense of warmth and peace spreading through my chest, like a soft blanket being draped over my spirit. The simple act of holding this point feels like closing a gate on the day's worries and opening a door to tranquility. It is the first step in my nightly conversation with my body, a gentle request for peace and rest. The second point is called Anmian, which beautifully translates to peaceful sleep. This is a special point known for calming the mind and treating insomnia. Its location feels intuitive and safe. Find it behind your ear, in the soft depression between the base of your skull and the bone behind your earlobe. That bone is the mastoid process. It's where your head meets your neck, restful to the touch. To find Anmian, trace the line behind your earlobe with a finger. Use your index finger, use your middle finger, move slightly back and up toward your skull. You will feel a hollow or tender spot behind the bony protrusion at the base of your ear. This is Anmian. There is one on each side of your head. Touching it feels like cradling your head, secure and supported. The spot whispers quiet and calm, great for a sleep ritual. After pressing Shenmen on my wrist, I move to Anmian. I press both Anmian points at the same time with my middle fingers. I apply gentle pressure and make small, slow circular motions. I do this for 1 to 2 minutes while keeping slow, even breathing. As I massage, I let go of tension in my jaw. I let go of tension in my neck. I let go of tension in my shoulders. My face softens and my upper body relaxes more deeply. Pressing Anmian is like turning down the volume on the world. The day's noise and mental chatter fade into the background. While Shenmen soothes the heart, Anmian calms the mind and the nervous system. Together, they are a powerful pair. They help the heart and kidneys find harmony. They guide the spirit back to its peaceful anchor, so body and mind can surrender to deep, restorative rest. You can try this gentle practice for yourself tonight. The beauty of it lies in its simplicity and in the personal touches you can add to make it your own. Begin by creating a calm space. A few minutes before you intend to press the points, dim the lights in your bedroom. If you like, you can light a small, unscented candle. The soft, flickering light is much more calming to the nervous system than harsh overhead lighting. This simple act signals to your body that it is time to wind down from the day. I found that creating a small sanctuary on my bedside table was very helpful. I use a dark walnut tray to hold my evening treasures. On it, I place a cup of warm, caffeine-free herbal tea, perhaps chamomile or lavender. I also have a small dish of dried herbs, whose gentle scent adds to the calming atmosphere. I wear my smooth jade bracelet when I press the points. Its cool, heavy feel on my skin is grounding. These are not necessities, but small, beautiful objects that elevate the practice from a task into a cherished ritual. When you are ready, sit comfortably on the edge of your bed or in a quiet chair. Make sure your hands are clean and warm. Close your eyes and take 3 slow, deep breaths. First, find Shenmen on your wrist. Use the thumb of your other hand to press the point with gentle, steady pressure for 1 to 2 minutes. Remember to breathe slowly and deeply the entire time. Then, move to the Anmian points behind your ears. Use your middle fingers to press and massage them in slow circles for another 1 to 2 minutes. This practice is not about achieving a perfect result. Some nights, you may feel an immediate sense of calm. On other nights, the effect may be more subtle. The key is consistency. Over time, this small ritual helped my sleep return, slowly and gently. The nights where I once tossed and turned with worry now feel softer and more welcoming. I fall asleep with more ease, and the quality of my rest is deeper. It is a testament to the power of small, consistent acts of self-care. It is important to remember that this is a gentle practice, not an instant cure. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication, it is always wise to speak with your doctor before beginning a new practice like acupressure. While it is very safe, being cautious is a good thing, and listen to your body. If pressing a point ever feels sharp or painful, ease up on the pressure or stop. The goal is always comfort, never discomfort. Your body's wisdom is your best guide. Many of us believe that sleep should be something that just happens, that it must come all at once or not at all. My journey taught me something different. For me, sleep came back in tiny, incremental steps. It was built upon a foundation of this gentle ritual performed each night. 2 points, pressed with soft hands, a cup of warm tea, the quiet glow of a candle. Slow, intentional breaths. Over many weeks, these small actions compounded, and true rest eventually returned to me. I also supported this practice with other small changes. Turn off all screens at least an hour before bedtime. Swap bright overhead lights for soft lamps in the evening. Make sure the bedroom is cool. Make sure the bedroom is dark. Make sure the bedroom is quiet. These simple adjustments to my environment help the acupressure work even better. They all work together to send a clear, consistent message to my body and mind. The day is over, and it is now safe to rest. So tonight, I invite you to try this. Find a quiet corner in your home. Take a small, sacred pause for yourself. Press Shenmen on your wrist, the spirit gate. Press Anmian behind your ears, the points of peaceful sleep. Breathe slowly and deeply. Imagine your heart. Imagine your kidneys. Let your body say goodnight to the world. When I close my eyes now, I am filled with gratitude for this small practice. I listen for the peace, and it always comes, one soft breath at a time.